back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. I'm going to be going into the shade Beaches and Cream by Makeup Geek and going to be using that for my base. Next, I'm going to be going into the palette The Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be dipping into the shade Burkina, yeah, I hope I'm saying that right. Anyway, I'm going to be adding this on my outer corner and blending it into my crease. Now, the next shade I'm going to be going into is the shade Chickadee, also by Makeup Geek, and I'm going to be applying this as my transition color and blending that into my crease. Now going into the shade Zobo, I'm going to be picking that up with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be applying that on my outer corner. And oh my god guys, these shades are so freaking pigmented. I absolutely love this palette. And I'm just blending that on my outer corner and blending it into my crease. Now going again into the shade Chickadee, I'm going to be applying that again on my crease because I don't know, I feel like the look was starting to look a little bit more pink purplish and I wanted it to be more of a brown. So I'm going to be adding the shade Ada, I hope I'm saying that right too, Ada, and I'm just going to be applying that on my outer corner and blending it into my crease again, focusing it more on the outer corner and just basically making more of a patting motion and then blending that towards the crease. Now going in with a flat concealer brush, I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D shade, not shade light, what the heck, my light warm shade, and I'm going to be adding that to cut my crease. I'm going to be doing some sort of a halo eye, my version of a halo eye. I'm going to be applying this concealer on the middle portion of my lid and then just kind of blending it outwards and not going all the way towards the inner corner and not going all the way towards the outer corner. Now to set that cut crease, I'm going to be using my Airspun powder and just patting some on. Now using a flat brush, I'm going to be going into the shade Curtain Call by Makeup Geek, and I'm going to be applying this on, how do I explain this? Not on the middle part of the cut crease, more towards the outside, and then not going on to the actual, like, you just want to make it look a little bit thinner, if that makes sense. Now using the shade Fulani, I'm going to be adding this on my outer corner and on my inner corner, and this is just going to be to add a little bit of depth into the eye look, just to like make it look like an actual halo eye. Next, I'm going to be dipping into the shades Untamed and Magic Act, and I'm going to be using those two colors on the part, basically around the little white part that's like in the middle of my eye, and then I'm going to be using the shade Magic Act and putting that on top of that color that I just placed. And I'm going to be going back and forth with those two colors just to really make more of that halo eye look. Now I'm going to be dipping into the shade Mocha, and I'm going to be adding this shade on my outer corner and just really blend that out. And I'm also going to add it on my inner corner and just blend that out also. Not blend it out all the way towards the crease because, I mean, we already cut the crease. We don't want to mess that up. And just blend that out. And I'm going to be also using the shade Corrupt. It is a really dark black charcoal color, and I'm just going to be adding that to add more depth, of course, adding that black on the outer corner and a little bit on the inner corner. Now going in with my NYX Crystal liquid crystal in the shade Crystal Gold. I'm going to be applying this right on top of the cut crease. I'm going to start on top and slowly going down, and I really intensify more the top line and slowly start with the rest of that product, slowly start going down. Now going in with my favorite Kat Von D tattoo liner, and basically you're just gonna make a wing. Now I'm using some concealer basically just to make my wing a little bit more sharp and just blending that out. Now to make this a little bit more smoky, I'm going to be adding some black liner to my waterline. Now going into the shade Ada, I'm going to be using this and just buffing that on my bottom lash line from the outer portion all the way into my inner corner. Going back again with that glitter, I'm going to be creating just a straight line under my wing. It's just, yeah, that's it, just a straight line under the wing. To finish the look, I'm going to be going into the shade Magic Act and just applying that to my inner corner. And this, guys, is the final look. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.